And like that, we are ready for Gumboot Rally. So we're just packing up our very, very cheap room. I must say that the one thing I'm really going to miss is this rogue sink. This is definitely the best part of this little room.
Tank, I should sit first day.
Good morning.
Okay.
Hola!
Oh,
my alarm's even fucking playing. Yeah, baby. I couldn't find it.
Stop! Do you want me to blur you? Because I've totally got the camera running.
Dicks out for Rambo.
Hey everyone, my name is STEPHASAURUS and today we're at the 2021 April Gumboot Rally. Gumboot is an event that happens twice a year and is a dream come true for any petrol heads that love a weekend of driving some of the most beautiful roads this country has to offer and have a taste for scavenger hunts, along with dressing up for the occasion. With the meeting point set in Whakatane, this year's Gumboot sets us through the East Cape, a beautiful string of roads that carves their way around the coastline to Gisborne, with an optional, and admittedly not what we did, tiki tour through some gravel roads to the East Cape Lighthouse.
Ready for a bit of shake and bake.
As you can all probably guess from the footage, the chosen theme for this year was movie cars, and as you can see, we had some really fantastic setups, from a couple of Lightning McQueens, to some Fast and Furious inspired liveries, Mad Max, and Ghostbusters to name a few. The winner of Best Theme went to an HQ Holden that I swear just came right off the set of Ghostbusters, just to attend this event.
How do you find this so far?
Good. Everybody's gone OT on the theme, which is fucking wicked.
I truly can't get over what a wide variety of cars attend these events. It truly doesn't matter what you drive. If it's got 4 wheels and road legal, it's welcome.
Steak, what's your true identity?
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Andy. As some of you know, I'm Andy. This is Gator and Mikey, and we're the 3 nutters behind Gumboot Rally.
Other than that, have fun, jump in your cars, let's go!
And like that, we're at the end of the video. Thank you all so much for watching. The video was a bit choppy, so lesson learnt to actually stay with the pack and possibly be a passenger next time.
But I hope you all enjoyed the journey with us, and I hope to see you all at the next Gumboot Rally.